So OPPO has introduced Enco W51, the company's latest truly wireless earphones in China, alongside the Reno 4 series, which I have mentioned in my previous video. These earbuds have 7mm drivers that promises dynamic bass. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 support for quick and low latency connection. It is protected against sweat and splashes with the IP54 rating. It has an ultra-low latency mode which can go as low as 94 milliseconds for both the ears and 47 milliseconds for a single ear. It also has advanced feed-forward and feedback hybrid dual microphones that can achieve a noise reduction of 35 decibel. This can be achieved even in crowded environments like subways, high-speed rails and trains as well. There are 6 microphones in total. 3 are used for noise cancellation and the other 3 for clearer call quality. You can choose between 3 different tips for perfectly fit of your ears and is designed for ear canal structure with G3 ear curve for a comfortable experience. It promises up to 24 hours of battery life with the wireless charging case and 4 hours standalone battery time. It has a USB Type-C for charging, which is a great addition. They can be charged wirelessly as well on any Qi-certified wireless charger. If you charge this for 15 minutes, you can get a battery backup of 9 hours. The OPPO Enco W51 comes in white, black and blue colors. It is priced at 499 yuans, that is $70 or 5,325 Indian rupees approximately. It will be available in China from July 9th with pre-orders starting from June 12th. If you stuck around till the end, I hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.